First, let's install the servo at the tail of it. We observe that the servo has a larger front end, but the back end is shorter. We install the front end forward. If you want it to sit tighter, we need a little glue. A toolkit will be given in each servo. It contains 3 screws, 2 long screws, a short screw. This is the gift of rudder. In this way, our servo is properly installed, then we install the rudder foot. This is our rudder foot. Install the rudder foot vertically upward. Next, we continue to install and insert it from this hole. Then cover it on this back. If you want to cover tighter, you can add some glue. Smooth facing outward, take out the rudder rod. One end is in a C shape. One end is straight. We insert the C-shaped rudder rod here. We can see that the rudder is divided into 5小时 holes. The higher the hole, the greater the force of its rocker. When it is installed, we found that the hole in this rudder foot is a bit small. Then we need to expand the hole position for it. You need to take a hand drill to expand the hole position. Then insert this end so it is secure. Then we fix this. There are 2 fixed modes. One is this fast fixer plastic. One is this metal. We will demonstrate the metal first this time, then when installing the ailerons. Let's demonstrate this plastic one more time. We insert the rudder through a hole in the middle of this metal buckle. Then aim it at the second layer. We screw the nuts to the back. At the front end, we also have to screw a black screw. We need to use a millimeter hex wrench. Continue to tighten on top. After tightening the top, we use pliers to tighten the nut below to the appropriate force. Cut the excess with pliers and leave it 0.5 厘米. Drop a follow before you go.